Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to buy diamonds on Mobile Legends. There are two ways you can buy diamonds on Mobile Legends. In today's video, we are gonna show you how you can purchase diamonds on Mobile Legends using both of the options. So keep watching the video till the end to find out how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Make sure to open your Mobile Legends application. First, we're learning how to buy diamonds using the Mobile Legends app. Once you're inside the main homepage of Mobile Legends, tap on the diamond icon at the top right. Now, doing so will take you to this recharge page. From this page, you can select how many diamonds you'd like to purchase and tap on one of the options. Now you need to go ahead and confirm your identity. Enter your password for your Apple account and tap continue. Follow the prompts till the end and you'll be able to buy diamonds on your Mobile Legends using the application. There is another way you can buy diamonds on Mobile Legends, that is via website. Go ahead and open up a web browser you'd like to use from your iOS device, and once you're inside the main homepage, into the URL box type in www.kodashop.com and search. Now you'll end up in the main homepage of Kodashop. Kodashop is one of the largest and most trusted top-up websites for games and online entertainment. You can purchase diamonds for Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, Valorant, Genshin Impact, and much more. Now, go ahead and select Mobile Legends from the options and enter your user ID in the text box. Your user ID will be displayed inside your profile page of Mobile Legends. Simply go ahead and copy your ID and paste it in the text box. After you are done entering your user ID, scroll down and select the category you'd like to recharge. Tap on diamonds from this tab and select the amount of diamonds you'd like to purchase. Now, once you are done, tap on buy now, and you might also need to enter your email address in the text box at the bottom. Finally, after tapping buy now, you'll need to select your payment method. Go ahead and follow through the prompts till the end, and that is how you'll be able to recharge or buy diamonds on Mobile Legends. Those were two of the possible ways you can buy Mobile Legends diamonds. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.